Hey guys, this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Now, this is a video I'm doing right now. This is just my little intro. This is just to keep you going. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the channel. And also, don't forget to check us up on Facebook as well at WELSHYTECH. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH, aka Welshy from WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.
They are underway, scheduled for 10 rounds tonight between these two. Good clean shot, returning fire. Well done by Muhammad Ali. Nice 1-2 by Muhammad Ali. Tried to land that upstairs and was off the mark. A target on his head, and he places the hook right on it. Ali's able to land a good, solid left hand. Hits him in the mug with the right. Is there any advice that you can give in a matchup like this, speed versus speed, where maybe one guy can go and utilize a completely different tool, like try to be a power puncher on a given night, or do something ultra defensively that can be an advantage?
Yeah, misdirection. You know, the guy's going to be real keen, both guys, because they know they have somebody who's so fast in front of them. So start one hand. He's going to be looking. He's going to react. Start the right hand. Just a little flinch of the right hand. Throw the left hand instead. Misdirection.
Stay away from those. Come on.
Able to land the jab. Very nice work to the head. The right hand landed. Good job on the two-punch combo by Muhammad Ali. He's showing what a skilled fighter he is with the counter-punching.
Well, the old timers used to say, when you're calm in there, when you're controlling there, you can make him do what you want. He made him tie his shoelaces right there.
Phenomenal pace being set here. They are burning it up early on.
Let's find out who's in better shape. We're going to see.
What a great job. He gave one right back in return. Nice work by David Haye. Good combination punch by David Haye right there, and that has his corner cheering him on. Good biting, snapping shot by Muhammad Ali. Head has turned into one big target for his opponent. Teddy, he cannot get out of the way of this attack.
No, he acts like a guy who gets assaulted if you miss him.
Ali's combination punching is working well here. Oh, you see him with the left to the head there? Scores well to the head with the right hand. Ali's at his best when the combinations are landing. He scored well there with that combo. Oh, a good right hand by Muhammad Ali. David Haye's defense did a good job there, able to avoid that punch. A freight train uppercut by David Haye. Lands flush with the two-punch combo by Muhammad Ali. He missed with that headshot. Little head knocking with that right hand. Look at this, another power punch able to land. We're early on in this fight. He's going for it.
Yeah, you wonder if he's got a car waiting outside.
David Haye's feeling the impact of that powerful hook. Good-looking jab there. Ali's the kind of boxer that wants to do just that. Find the target, get the combination working, land both punches. Solid right by Muhammad Ali. And now he's targeting upstairs. Oh, and he returns fire with a left hand. That's great stuff. He fires one right back after taking one. Gotta love the work by Muhammad Ali. Oh, and Haye like a battering ram just landing that power punch to the head. Oh, a crushing shot by David Haye. Well-placed hook. And round number 3 is underway. Commits to the straight right. Basic but beautiful. Jab right hand. Here's one for you now, he says. Right back with the left hand. Jab and a straight by Muhammad Ali. Ali's combination that was landed moments ago is one of those examples of what every trainer would really like to have, and that's a fighter with good hand speed.
Yeah, and he's showing that right now. Now, the trainer in the other corner hopes he has a guy with good timing, because timing can negate speed.
Commits to the overhand right, and it serves him well. An accurate left by David Haye. Little head hunting never hurt, does it with the hook. David Haye's right hand working well that time. He scored well. Turns over that hook upstairs. Back and forth exchange. What an excellent two-punch combo by Muhammad Ali. Takes one, but gives one. Good work by Muhammad Ali. Ali's the victim of a powerful hook. Boy, sharp two-punch combination by Muhammad Ali. Pulls the trigger right away with the left hand after getting tagged himself. A hammering hook by David Haye. Ali's doing what every trainer wants to see their fighter do. Land punches in bunches. The combination lands. Takes one, gives one. 3 rounds in the books. Ali's in control. Teddy, he's up with a clean sweep on your scorecard.
Yeah, and I like the way he's doing it. You know, he's making the guy come to him, he's making him miss, and he's scoring all the clean punches.
He got hit right there, but he also gave one. Solid effort by Muhammad Ali.
You're not focusing.
Muhammad Ali's picking up right where he left off. Remember how he finished that last round?
Yeah, he really finished strong, really fast. And you know what? This is a thinking man's fight. I know a lot of people are going to say Teddy's just an aggressive fighter. No, he understands, and his corner understands, that his opponent only has 60 seconds to recover, and they're jumping on him, figuring that their opponent hasn't recovered.
That's a solid right hand by David Haye. Oh, and they decide to trade there. David Haye has a way of keeping his opponents at bay via the jab. Solid left hand to the head. David Haye's corner has to give him some advice here, because that left hand has been scoring too consistently.
Exactly, so there's nothing else that he really has to worry about. Take that out of the equation, he'd be winning the fight.
That's a forceful two-punch combo by Muhammad Ali. You had to see it to believe it the first 2 minutes of these rounds. Now these fighters are trying to make everybody a believer in the final 60 seconds.
And this is why you understand the dimension of this sport like no other sport. At the end of this, how both participants will have mutual great respect for each other.
Targeting that midsection now with the combo. Nice strike after catching one by David Haye. Very accurate two-punch combo by Muhammad Ali. That's a huge left hand from Muhammad Ali. A lot of busy activity and both guys being busy. When you were a trainer, are those the kind of rounds that you prefer, or do you like the pace to be a little slower? It does depend on each guy.
No, if I have a fighter, I'd rather have a guy fighting a guy that you never see him. Leave me the heck alone. And where I'm in control all the time. But the fans love to see a fight like that.
Ali's left landing well. Up top with the right hand. Teddy's having a field day. He's peppering him with shots from the outside.
Well, when did we all of a sudden show up at a bull ring? Because I'm watching a matador right now control that bull and not letting that bull get near where he can gore him.
Comes right back at him with a left hand. Fires off that hook. Oh, that's good stuff. Firing right back with one of his own. Good work by Muhammad Ali. A striking combination by Muhammad Ali. Good, solid right hand lands. Uncle Mo did you see that? Not an easy task to floor David Haye. His opponent just did it.
Doing great. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's a good job by David Haye, just showing some guts getting up after that knockdown. Comes right back at him with a left hand. Nicely timed 1-2. He just missed that shot up top. Scored well upstairs with the right hand. Ali's on the receiving end of a hook. How is he taking these kind of shots and just dismissing them? What a David Haye's been hurt by that shot. Solid. Every punch landed in that combination, and he goes down hard.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
David Haye's corner has got to get that message to him. He cannot afford to have defensive lapses like we just saw in that last round.
Yeah, you know, we say this so many times in the broadcast. He's blaming on the fighter, but what if he hasn't been taught those things? If those things haven't been instilled already in the gym, guess what, Joe? He's not doing them.
Good job with the old 1-2 by Muhammad Ali. David Haye's hurt by him. Oh, and there you go. Unbelievable. Just the barrage continues. He's knocked down again.
But his desire and heart is just as strong as it was before.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Boy, what guts. What guts to get up again.
What gets me upset about this guy, Joe, is he's got so much heart. I wish somebody taught him a little bit more, because this guy's getting hit with punches he shouldn't get hit with. If you taught him with that heart, you'd have a champion.
Good clean shot, returning fire. Well done by Muhammad Ali. Big shot comes crashing home. He never saw that coming. David Haye's knocked down by a punch that came from out of left field.
That was like Halley's Comet. You won't be seeing that again for about 10 years.
That's it. It's over. Fight is over. Ali's in prime form. Power surge here. Knockout winner.